Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm a professional photographer passionate about capturing stunning moments and sharing the art of photography. Here, you'll find tips, tutorials, behind-the-scenes looks, and inspiration to improve your photography skills. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's something here for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me on this creative journey. Aperture is one of the most powerful tools in photography, acting like the iris of your eye. It controls how much light enters the camera through the lens, and it's represented by F numbers. A lower F number, like f/1.8, means a wide aperture, perfect for low-light situations and creating that beautiful bokeh effect, where your subject pops against a softly blurred background. On the flip side, a higher F number, like f/16, narrows the aperture, ideal for bright environments and ensuring everything from the foreground to the background is in sharp focus. Adjusting the aperture is straightforward in manual or aperture priority mode on your camera. And while smartphones usually have fixed apertures, some advanced models let you tweak settings for more control. Remember, different lenses have different maximum apertures. Prime lenses often shine with wider openings, while zoom lenses can vary. Investing in a lens with a wider aperture can be pricier, but the creative possibilities it unlocks are worth it. Mastering aperture not only enhances your exposure, but also elevates your artistic expression in every shot. Camera aperture is a key setting in photography that controls the amount of light entering the camera through the lens. It is part of the exposure triangle, alongside shutter speed and ISO. Aperture is represented by an F number, e.g., f/1.8, f/4, f/16. The aperture is an adjustable opening inside the lens. It works like the iris in your eye, widening or narrowing to let in more or less light. The size of the aperture is expressed as an F number. Lower F number, e.g., f/1.4, f/2.8, indicates a wide aperture. It allows more light into the camera, useful in low-light conditions. Higher F number, e.g., f/11, f/22, indicates a narrow aperture. It reduces the amount of light, ideal for bright environments or achieving greater depth of field. Aperture directly influences brightness. A wider aperture, low F number, makes the image brighter, while a narrower aperture, high F number, makes it darker. A wide aperture, e.g., f/1.8, creates a shallow depth of field, where the subject is sharp and the background is blurred, bokeh effect. A narrow aperture, e.g., f/16, produces a deep depth of field, keeping most parts of the scene in focus. Lenses have an optimal aperture, often between f/8 and f/11, for maximum sharpness. In DSLR or mirrorless cameras, you can control the aperture in manual mode, M, where you set both aperture and shutter speed, or aperture priority mode, A or AV, where you choose the aperture, and the camera selects the shutter speed. On smartphones, the aperture is often fixed, but some advanced models offer adjustable settings in pro or manual mode. For portraits, use a wide aperture, e.g., f/1.8, for subject isolation and a soft background. For landscapes, use a narrow aperture, e.g., f/11 or f/16, for sharpness throughout the scene. In low-light photography, wide apertures help capture more light without increasing ISO or slowing down the shutter speed. Different lenses have varying maximum aperture capabilities. Prime lenses often have wider maximum apertures, e.g., f/1.4, f/1.8. Zoom lenses may have variable apertures depending on focal length, e.g., f/3.5-5.6. Lenses with wider maximum apertures are typically more expensive due to their complexity and quality. In summary, aperture is a crucial tool for controlling light, focus, and creativity in photography. Mastering aperture allows you to produce stunning effects and capture the perfect shot in any condition. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next video.